Good day, applicant A12000212.
Good day, sir, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Well, I am Cristina Ganyan. I am 35 years old. I'm married and I have 3 kids. We are 9 in the family and I'm the eldest. I am undergraduate taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. I am Catholic.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, sir. I have an experience here in the Philippines for 4 years, taking care of the baby and taking care of the children for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities for taking care of the baby is to sterilize the utensils for the milk, taking back the baby, and for the children, I have experience in fetch them to the school, prepare their school uniforms, help them in doing their assignments, and also tutoring them.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, sometimes I love jogging, I love reading, and I love cooking, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Sir, I want to go abroad to help my family, especially my children. I want to continue their studies.
Any message to your future employer?
To my prospective employer, I hope you choose me as one of your servants, and I'll promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm honest, I'm hardworking, and I'm loving, especially for the children. And I will treat your family as my own family. And I promise to finish my contract with an extent if you still need my services, sir, ma'am. Thank you and hope to see you soon.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you, sir.